go with a big deal from FITNATION. This is the Versatone Core Muscle Trainer and TENS belt. We have sold over 80,000 of these, and you're seeing it used right now as that FDA cleared device, the electrical stimulator system that is designed to help improve the abdominal tone and strength. And then you're seeing Miss Pam use this as a TENS device. This is also FDA cleared for use with the electrical stimulating system, again, to help with temporary relief of pain. So 2 uses, 1 product, and we have fitness expert Matt Titus here to talk with us about FITNATION.
How are you?
Hi, it's nice to have you with us as always.
Sure.
This is a big deal, a price that goes up at the end of the day on the 28th. And today, if you can get this home with 4 easy pays of $17.50. If you are someone who already has this device, we would love to hear how you're using it. Give us a call, 1-800-395-1601. So before we get into like how to use it and all that stuff, talk to us about what the 2 functions of this are.
This belt has 2 sister technologies in it. It has EMS, or muscle stimulation, what causes your core to automatically and involuntarily contract. It sends that impulse into your core, and your core will engage and contract and become stronger and more firm, and you have to do absolutely nothing. This is pure science. It is not a gimmick. It is FDA cleared and proven to increase strength, tone, and firm your core.
And the cool thing about this, the upgrade, is that the device has the pads already attached and included, so you don't have to purchase additional pads to put on this to make it operate, right?
These pads are what transmit that impulse that causes your stomach to contract. Just very similarly to when you get on the floor and do a crunch. You guys will never have to do your stomach, work your stomach out again if you get this belt. Let me tell you, this other technology is TENS technology, which is transcutaneous electric nerve stimulation. You like that? What happens is it sends a different type of impulse that calms agitated nerves and temporarily relieves pain in sore muscles in your back. There's that EMS working right now. You can see how the muscles are engaged and contract automatically. This belt is discreet. This belt is thin. This belt is comfortable. You never even know you have it on. You can do this while you send emails, while you grocery shop, while you take a walk. There's the other technology, the TENS, that temporarily relieves pain by calming agitated nerves, stopping pain at its source. I think, Jane, the best thing we can do is go over there and let everybody see it.
So you get the device, you're going to get the charger cord, you're going to get the case, you're also going to get the instruction manual. Everything you need to know to get started is there. The belt is also adjustable. So it has the hook and loop closure, so it goes all the way around and will fit the average person. The length of it is 47.5 inches.
Now let's look at Kim. Can you see her core contracting? She is not doing that. This is sending that impulse into her core, and that is like every one of these contractions is literally like a crunch, and you do not have to get on the floor. This is extremely targetable because it is directed just into your core. If you're on the floor trying to do a crunch, your hips get involved, your lower back, your neck.
And most of us can't do it properly anyway. We get our neck involved, we're doing the wrong thing, we're not engaging the muscles that need to be engaged.
Exactly correct. And think about what our core is used for. It's used for 90% of all of our movement, gang. Think about that. When we sit down and get into the car, we use our core. When we get up out of the bath, it's our core. When we reach to the right on an angle, it's our core.
So for functional fitness, it is so essential to have a core exerciser. This is one of the different patterns too. So talk to us about that. When you're using it as...
The EMS has 4 different programs. Strengthening, toning, firming, and a combination. So it has different frequencies of electric impulse, so you can become even more. Your body will respond even better.
And you're looking at Pam, who has the TENS that she is working, right?
Exactly. That's TENS technology. Pam has a sore thigh.
Hamstring
or thigh. So she's sending that different type of impulse in there to calm and soothe those agitated nerve endings, giving her temporary muscular pain relief. It's great for your lower back as well. You can put on your lower back and get that. You know, when you go to a chiropractor, you put the gel pads on, they put those little electrodes. This is the exact same thing, only you have it at home.
Right.
Think about it.
Here's the great thing, it's 2 uses. So again, this is multi-use. There are times when you're going to need it to help to stimulate those ab muscles and get that core fired up. And you've got a range of ways and levels that you can use it for that. And then there are times when you're going to need it for recovery, and that's where the EMS comes in.
2 different technologies in one belt. This is how you use it, guys, okay? Let's flip it over. Here's your motor. This motor snaps on and it snaps off. We give you a charger, and you can charge it.
Hold that there. So because we're looking at it right now.
You can charge this. Snaps off. We give you a cord. It's fully rechargeable.
Now you can put it back on.
Right.
Okay.
We just snap this back on.
And there's a look at that. So you're looking at the display, Matt?
Yes. And there you see, there are 2 different modes. There's EMS, 4 different programs, strengthening, toning, firming, and a combination of the 4, 19 different intensity levels. And then we have the TENS. Deep muscle and pressure point, 19 different levels of intensity. And check this out. So we snapped it on, you charged your motor. Now we just simply wet the pads, right? The electrodes, the pads right here. We even give you a water bottle, tap water only. And you just put it on your skin, put it around, and now she's going to choose. It's going to be, which one, Kim?
I'm going to do the first one.
First one, which is a STIM. It's an EMS program, and it's strengthening. And then she goes up to level 14.
Right, and you'll start probably lower and work your way up to an intensity to get those muscles
Exactly.
to contract. I tell you what I'd love to do. We have a video testimonial that
Sure.
I'd love to share. And again, encourage you to go ahead and place your order. Here, take a listen to this. This is a customer who actually, Nisa, uses this system.
It was different. I didn't expect the results that I got. I really thought, oh, it's just another gimmick, but it actually was kind of addictive. I really enjoyed relaxing with it, even doing some work with it. And I made sure that I stuck to it twice a day. I mean, honestly, it was something I could always do. It didn't take out of my day too much. I did it with the things I was doing already. Versus exercise, sometimes you don't always have time for that. So I really enjoyed knowing that I had that option. And I did it every day along with my workouts and eating better. Because it was simple to use, and you can use it while you do anything else. That was the thing that I loved the most about it. So do it.
Matt, what's the length of a traditional workout? Just
30
like
minutes, 30-minute program. So
Okay.
guys, if you can see me, watch. I'm relaxing, and look at that. This is the belt doing
Causing
that
those
work.
contractions.
Yes, and every contraction is a full firming and toning of my core.
Well,
and I don't have to do
it almost
anything.
takes your breath away, depending
It
on
does.
how, how intense you have that set. But the good thing about it is you can also decide how intense you want this to be. You could be in the kitchen cooking, making lunch, doing dinner, whatever it may be, and have it set to do your workout. Or if you're in recovery mode, you spent too much time in the garden, you picked up your grandchild, and now you've got that sore, achy spot, shoveling the snow, whatever it may be, the TENS feature is built in to, again, help with the soreness of those muscles in those areas.
It really is, and this is wearable workout technology. The belt is discreet. I'm sure you guys didn't even know I had one on until I pulled my shirt up to show you, right? You can literally put it on, set your program, set your intensity level, and go about your day and forget about it. It does the working out for you. FDA approved and cleared to strengthen, tone, and firm your core.
Which is why over 80,000 have been ordered here at QVC. F42769, ladies, thank you so much. Just so you can see, again, you're getting the FITNATION Versatone core belt with the actual device that makes the motor run. And then you get all the accessories that you need, including a water bottle, the charging cord, and all of the information on how to operate this. This may also be eligible for FSA and HSA. Of course, all programs are different, but do check to see if this is also available.
It also has an extender, so it fits just about everybody.
Yeah.
Okay, so I want you guys to know that that impulse will go down all the way to your core.
So good news, Matt will be back next hour for a full hour of FITNATION with Justin. Thank you so much for being here. Good to see you, ladies. Thank you very much as well. All right, our next item is another